Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create viral TikTok content using the new TikTok's tools. So in here, if you guys are a content creator, a new content creator on TikTok, you can just use this tool uh to find topics that is currently trending on TikTok. First, you can head to the search bar at the top. This one, click on the magnifying glass icon, and then just type in on the creator search insights, and you'll find this tools right here. You can see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create. So just tap on view, and after this here, as you guys can see, there are lots of topics that you can find, and you can create a video, a TikTok content with this topic. So for example, you can do a video about how to do mock-ups design. You can also do video about a day in my life as a real estate agent if you are, or how to download Play Store in iPhone, just like that. So if you want to see a reference video, you can just tap on this video icon, and you'll see lots of sorry you can just see a click on the topic, and you see lots of other related videos created by the others TikTok creator. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.